The general tip for CAT would be to avoid negative marking. Try and focus your time on questions which you are confident about. For LRDI, try and take out 5 to 7 minutes at the beginning of the section to find out those 2 to 3 easy sets, and after completing those, then move on to further sets. All the very best.
Hello CAT 2020 aspirants, all the very best for your big day. Everybody has a few topics which fall in their core strengths area. So firstly solve that, then go to the questions which will take a lesser time to solve, because that way you will increase the number of questions that you're about to solve, and be relaxed throughout the entire interview. I would just want to say that while I was giving my CAT attempt, all I knew is this is a game that I want to play and win.
Hello guys, a general tip will be to have sound sleep, stay relaxed, be cool, and coming to the point section, only knowledge is not enough. Have some strategy. Like what I did, learn to say no to a question, because each question has equal weightage, so don't take any question upon your ego. Solve judiciously, and all the best.
Hello guys, it's that time of the year again, the D-Day. Nothing much to be surprised about. You can win it, after all you've been preparing for it. And just don't go on the questions on ego. I know you have the caliber to win it. Coming to verbals, well, it might bombard you with something, but use your common sense. You are the winners. You just have to prove it. With that, see you in an IM soon.
So the general tip from my side regarding the CAT exam would be, so for all the sections that you are attempting, try to divide it into subsections and finish that within a stipulated amount of time. Do not try to attempt questions if you have exceeded that time limit, and move on to the next subsection. If I talk about the DI/LR section specifically, attempt around 60% of the questions with reasonable 90% accuracy, and that should give you a good enough score. Hope you have an amazing CAT exam. All the best.
The week before CAT brings with it a lot of anxiety and pressure. But it's important to know that it's okay to feel that way, and your attitude actually matters in the last few days much more than your preparedness for the exam. So have a positive outlook towards the exam. Do not stress over the stuff that you can't really control, and try to enjoy the journey.
Hi guys, so there are certain tips that I want to pass on to you for your D-Day. Now that the CAT paper is approaching, you've already done all the studying, so now focus on keeping calm and focusing on what lies ahead, not expecting too much out of the exam, but giving it your best nevertheless. And just all the best, stay calm and rock it.
Hi everyone. Firstly, congratulations for the kind of effort that you guys are putting. Now it's just about giving another mock on the Sunday. Coming to sections, in case of RC, I would strongly advise to go through all the questions pertaining to a passage after skimming it through, and then dividing it basis either a CR based or a fact based question. Attempt the passages whose subject areas you're comfortable with, having maximum number of factual based questions. Your attempt at VA or RC will depend on your comfort level, which to attempt first. In QA, LRDI, I would suggest you to read through all the questions before attacking them, and then attempt the easy ones and the medium ones first, keeping the hard ones for the last, preferably. DI is generally on the easier end, so don't skip those. Also in QA, go for formula based questions first, and then the topic you are good with. At the end of the day, it's just a strategy based exam, not a knowledge based exam where selection is the key. All the very best.
Hello guys, so it's that time of the year again, and you might be feeling stressed, but don't feel so. Just relax, take proper sleep, and focus on the strategy that you will follow on that day. For the VARC part, I would suggest first skim through the questions and attempt the passage in the initial time itself. In the last 10 minutes, just focus on the VA part. Try to grab more and more marks from that part, and don't see the passage in that timing. And don't take any questions on your ego. Just sail through it. You will definitely well the get. All the best.